If you've ever looked in the mirror and felt like something is off about your face, you're not alone. Maybe one eyebrow sits a little higher, your jaw leans slightly to one side, or one side of your face just looks better than the other. And then you see someone with a perfectly balanced face, and you start wondering, how do they look so symmetrical? But here's the truth. Perfect symmetry doesn't really exist. Almost everyone has some level of facial asymmetry. The difference is, some people have habits that make it worse, and others have habits that slowly fix it. So today, I'll show you exactly what's causing your face asymmetry and what you can start doing daily to improve it. Let's start. Number 1. Your daily habits are quietly changing your face. Most people think asymmetry is genetic, but in reality, your daily habits play a huge role. Think about this. Do you chew on the same side every time? Do you sleep on one side every night? Do you rest your face on your hand while using your phone? These small habits create uneven pressure on your face, and over time, that pressure builds up. For example, if you always chew on one side, those muscles become stronger on that side. If you always sleep on one side, that side gets compressed for hours every night. Slowly, your face starts adapting to those patterns. So here's what you need to fix. Chew on both sides equally. Try sleeping on your back, or alternate sides. Stop resting your face on your hands. These seem small, but they matter more than you think. Number 2, your posture is affecting your face. This is something most people completely ignore. Your posture doesn't just affect your body, it affects your face too. If your head is always tilted, or you're constantly looking down at your phone, your neck and jaw become uneven, and over time, this pulls your face slightly out of alignment. Even things like standing with more weight on one leg, sitting with crossed legs all the time, carrying your bag on one side only. All of these create imbalance in your body, and your face reflects that imbalance. So start fixing this. Keep your head straight. Distribute weight evenly on both legs. Switch sides when carrying bags. Avoid long periods of bad posture, because balance in your body equals balance in your face. Number 3, your facial muscles are uneven. Your face has muscles, and just like your body, those muscles can become unbalanced. One side may be tighter, the other side weaker. That's why one eyebrow lifts more, one cheek looks fuller, your smile looks uneven. Even simple habits like raising one eyebrow often can train your muscles unevenly over time. So what can you do? Start building awareness. Practice symmetrical expressions in the mirror. Avoid overusing one side of your face. Try light facial massage to relax tight areas. You're not trying to be perfect. You're training your face to be more balanced. Number 4. Your jaw habits matter more than you think. Your jaw plays a huge role in how your face looks. If you clench your jaw often, chew only on one side, or keep tension in your face, you're slowly creating asymmetry. Even talking on the phone like this, holding it between your shoulder and ear, can shift your alignment over time. So here's what to fix. Keep your jaw relaxed, don't clench your teeth, use earphones instead of holding your phone awkwardly. Be mindful of how you chew. Small adjustments, big long-term results. Number 5. Your lifestyle is showing on your face. Now let's talk about what's happening inside your body, because your face is a reflection of your health. When you don't sleep enough, your muscles don't recover properly. When you're dehydrated, your skin loses elasticity. When your diet is poor, your skin and tissues don't get the nutrients they need. All of this can make asymmetry look worse. So focus on the basics. Drink enough water daily. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Eat nutrient-rich foods. Reduce stress, because real change doesn't come from one trick. It comes from your lifestyle. Final message. So if you feel insecure about your face, remember this. You don't need perfect symmetry to look beautiful. What actually matters is balance. And balance comes from your habits. Not overnight changes, not filters, not unrealistic expectations, just simple daily actions done consistently. Fix your habits, fix your posture, be aware of your body, and over time, your face will reflect that. If you want more videos like this, make sure you follow and stay consistent, because your results start with your habits.